First one, sine rule. In any triangle ABC, A upon sine A equal to B upon sine B equal to C upon sine C, where A comma B comma C are the lengths of the sides of the triangle. That is A equal to BC, B equal to CA, and C equal to AB, which are the usual notation. Because here we are saying that in any triangle, so you have to take the case of acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, and a right angle triangle. So you have to prove for acute triangle, obtuse triangle, and right triangle. No. Let us take the first case. Acute triangle. What is meant by acute triangle?
All angles are less than
of the
90.
triangle are less than 90.
All the angles must be less than 90 degrees. A, B, C. Now, this will be small a, small b, small c. So you have to prove that the sides are in proportion to the sine of the opposite angles. That is A upon sine A, B upon sine B, C upon sine C. Yeah. Let us draw a perpendicular from A to BC. Let us take that as D. Now, in this triangle ABD, what is sine B? You can write as
AD by B.
AD by AB. AB equal to what? C, which implies AD equal to C sine B. In the same manner, in triangle ACD, sine C equal to, what is sine C equal to in this triangle? AD upon AC. AC is what? B, which implies AD equal to B sine C. Now, both are equal to AD only. So from these two, we can write as B sine C equal to C sine B. Now, which implies sine B upon B, or else you can write as B upon sine B equal to C upon sine C. See as equation 1. Now, in the same manner again, you can draw perpendicular from B or from C, and you can prove the two more ratios are equal. So either you derive or else you write similarly. So who are interested derive, otherwise write similarly. Similarly, C by sine C equal to A by sine A. So from 1 and 2, you can conclude that A upon sine A equal to B upon sine B equal to C upon sine C. This is the first case. Next, second case. Obtuse triangle. Now, what is meant by obtuse triangle?
One angle in the triangle is greater than 90 degrees.
So one angle must be obtuse. So let us take triangle ABC. such that angle B is obtuse. So this will be small a, small b, and small c. Again, draw the perpendicular from A to the side BC. Now, you have to extend. Now do again exactly in the same manner what you have done in the first case. So use the triangle ADC as well as ADB and eliminate AD. Triangle ADC, sin C. So sin C equal to AD upon B, which implies AD equal to B sin C. Triangle ADB, sine of inside angle is what? 180 minus B equal to AD upon C, which implies AD equal to C sin B. Eliminate AD. B sin C equal to C sin B, which implies B by sin B equal to C by sin C. Now again, you can draw perpendicular either from B or from C, and again you can prove that other two ratios are equal. So similarly, C upon sin C equal to A upon sin A. For the third case, right triangle. Let us take angle B is right angle. BC equal to A, CA equal to B, AB equal to C. Now, again in this triangle, sin C equal to C upon B, which implies B equal to C upon sin C, which is same as B upon sin 90 equal to C upon sin C we can write. But 90 degrees is same as B. So I can replace it as B upon sin B equal to C upon sin C. In a similar manner, you can draw perpendicular from B or from C. Not from B, from B only. If you draw perpendicular from B, you can prove that two more ratios are equal. So C upon sin C equal to A upon sin A. Fit all of you? Three cases: acute angle triangle, obtuse triangle, and right angle triangle. Next. Another form of sine rule. Another form of sine rule. In any triangle ABC, A upon sine A equal to B upon sine B equal to C upon sine C
Equal to 2R.
Equal to 2R.
equal to 2R. A upon sine A equal to B upon sine B equal to C upon sine C equal to 2R, where capital R is the
Circumradius.
circumradius of circumcircle of triangle ABC. Capital R is the circumradius of circumcircle of triangle ABC. Subhojit, mute it. Now, again, you need to prove all the three cases. Acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, and right angle triangle. First case, acute triangle. So for an acute angle triangle, circumcenter will be inside the triangle. Let us denote S as the circumcenter. SA is R, SB is also R, SC is also R. Now BC is small a, AC is small b, AB is small c. Now try to prove again in the same manner. Let us draw perpendicular from circumcenter to one of the sides. Suppose if I draw a perpendicular from circumcenter S to the side BC. Remember, ASD not necessary to be collinear. It may be or may not be. Now, when I draw the perpendicular from the center to the side in a triangle, it bisects the opposite side. So this will be A by 2 and this also will be A by 2. Now, can you able to say what is this entire angle? BSC.
2A.
Half of angle, 2A.
2A.
It will be 2A.
2A.
Now
2A.
when I draw the perpendicular, it bisects the angle also. This will be A and this is also will be A. Now consider in the triangle CSD. So triangle CSD. Sine A. So what is sine A? Opposite side, A by 2 upon R, which implies A by sine A equal to 2R. Similarly, in the same manner, you can draw perpendicular to the other two sides and you can prove it. So similarly, we can prove B upon sine B equal to C upon sine C equal to 2R. We can have one more method of derivation is So another method of derivation is I'm extending B yes to another point. So it intersects the circle at D.
Sir, your
And
camera's
join
focus is lost.
D to C. So we are joining B, yes, and extending to the intersecting D. Now angle A and angle D will be same. Why? Because angles in the same segment are equal. So this is R and this is also R. Now in this triangle BCD, sin A equal to. So this will be about angle BCD will be 90 only. A upon 2R, which implies A by sin A equal to 2R. Have you understood second method?
Yes, sir.
Mute it, all of you. Second case, obtuse triangle. Now, for obtuse triangle, where will be the circumcenter?
Outside the triangle.
Outside
Hmm.
the triangle.
So when you are drawing the figure, you draw the figure such that the circumcenter will be outside the triangle. So draw the figure in such a way that circumcenter will be outside the triangle. Now again try in the same manner. No. So one method is again we can draw perpendicular from S to the side BC. Then again it bisects A by 2, A by 2. Now when I join this, now can you tell me what is this angle?
180 minus
Yes, C. This will be.
360 minus 1.
360
No.
minus 2A.
Observe the figure. Observe the figure.
2A.
This will be 2A.
2A.
Now this angle will
center.
be 360 minus 2A inside. Now it bisects again. So this will be what? 180
Minus.
minus A. Now in this triangle, sine of 180 minus A. What is sine of 180 minus A? A by 2 upon R means A upon sine A equal to 2R. This is one method. Now we can have one more method also. So another method is now this is exactly in a similar manner. Join BS and produce it to intersect the circle at D. Now join CD. Now, is there anything you can say about the figure now?
Cyclic.
Cyclic quadrilateral.
So it is a cyclic quadrilateral. So what is the property of cyclic quadrilateral?
Opposite
Opposite angles are supplementary or
Supplementary.
complementary?
Supplementary.
Opposite angles are supplementary. That means angle D equal to what? 180 minus.
180 minus A.
Now, next, the length of BC will be what? Small a. And BD will be what? 2R.
2R.
Now again apply in the same manner. In the triangle BCD, sine of 180 minus A equal to A upon 2R. Third case. For the third case, right triangle. For a right triangle, where will be the circumcenter?
On the center.
On the
of
hypotenuse.
Hypotenuse.
Midpoint
On
of
the
hypotenuse.
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 So A, B, C. So circumcenter, yes, will be the midpoint. So angle A will be a right angle. This will be 2R. This is also 2R. The length of BC is what? A. So A equal to 2R, which you can write as again 2R sine 90, which is same as 2R sine A. So A upon sine A equal to 2R. A upon sine A equal to B upon sine B equal to C upon sine C equal to 2R. That is, sides are in proportion to the sine of the opposite angles. So from this, you can rewrite as A equal to 2R sine A, B equal to 2R sine B, and C equal to 2R sine C. So in the numerical problems, when you are doing, you may use A equal to R sine A, B equal to R sine B, C equal to R sine C also. Or sine A equal to A by 2R, sine B equal to B by 2R, sine C equal to C by 2R. So depending on the problem, either you can use the first formula or second formula or third formula. Second one, cosine rule. In any triangle ABC, in any triangle ABC, B square equal to C square plus A square minus 2AC cos B, or cos B
Sir?
equal to
Sir, your video is paused.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, now it's working.
B square equal to C square plus A square minus 2AC cos B, or cos B equal to, from this, C square plus A square minus B square upon 2AC. So exactly in the same manner, right, what is A square equal to and cos A equal to, and what is C square equal to and cos C equal to. Have you done in the same manner?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right, remaining all of you, whoever has not done. Second case. What is the second case? obtuse triangle. Exactly in the same manner you can do it. A, B, C, where angle B is obtuse. Again draw the perpendicular from A to BC. So this will be small a, small b, small c. So try to do exactly in the same manner. So this angle is B and this will be 180 minus B. So
So can you
using
repeat what
sine
you just
rule,
said?
using sine rule, we are trying to prove the cosine rule. That is cos B equal to C square plus A square minus B square upon 2AC. So take the right hand side, apply the sine rule formula and then simplify and prove it as cos B.
Approved it.
Now, take right hand side. C square plus A square minus B square upon 2AC. Now, using sine rule, what is C square equal to? Using sine rule, what is C square
4r
equal to?
square sine square c.
So 4r square will be common entirely.
Sine
So
square A
sine
plus
square
B minus sine
sine
square.
square C plus sine square A minus sine square B upon, here also will get as what? 2 into 4r square sine A sine C will get. So 4r square gets cancelled. Group these two and simplify.